Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I'll teach you how to fix microphone access required in ChatGPT on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So guys, to fix the microphone access denied issue in the ChatGPT app on your iPhone, firstly launch the settings page. Scroll down and find screen time and tap on it. After that, scroll down again and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Here, find microphone and tap on it. On the microphone page, make sure that microphone access is allowed. After that, go back to the settings page, scroll down and tap on apps. Now scroll down and find the ChatGPT app in your list of installed apps. Tap on the app and make sure that the toggle switch for microphone is turned on. If it is off, switch it on. Now go back to the ChatGPT application and see if the microphone is working or not. So guys, as you can see, the microphone is working now.